Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. Snipping tool Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to screenshot in Windows 10 PC and snipping tools Windows 10 PC, so firstly click on start. After scroll down, click on Windows Accessories. After click on Snipping Tools. And other way, type here Snipping Tools. After click on Snipping Tools and here click New. That is. If you want to save, so click Save As. Click on Save. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to screenshot Windows 10 PC and snipping tools Windows 10 PC. So guys, this is very simple and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.